It is time to customize your car, truck, van, or SUV at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Superstore. Hi, I'm Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king from the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Superstore. And the Monroe Superstore is making it fun and affordable to accessorize your ride. Whether you recently purchased a Dodge Charger or Jeep Wrangler, Chrysler 300 or Jeep Grand Cherokee, sporty Dodge Challenger or a Jeep Liberty, now is the time to personalize your vehicle with a custom look that won't dent your wallet. No matter what your ride is, the Low Payment King has the accessories to upgrade your ride. At the Monroe Superstore, we have a tremendous selection of original Mopar accessories, and all these accessories are installed by our 5-star certified technicians. Please contact Service Director Glenda Hood or Accessory Manager Greg Bondi and let us custom design a Mopar accessory savings package just for you. And make sure you ask them for the Low Payment King discount. That's right, it's time to trick out your ride with the Low Payment King's Custom Accessories Sell-a-thon.